RS Pro offers a range of more than 60,000 products, constantly updated and growing day by day. From automation and control to test and measurement, from tools to motion control, RS Pro products can support most of all industrial needs of designers, maintainers, and engineers. RS Pro products are built on choice, quality, and value, becoming the perfect option when your application requires industry standards, tested quality, and cost reduction. From small PCB connectors to industrial sockets, up to the special series like heavy-duty or hazardous certified connectors, RS Pro's offering delivers to customers the choice and the reliability they look for in their applications. Let's have a closer look at some ranges. The RS Pro range of PCB connectors includes more than 1,000 products made with the UL94V0 flame retardant PA with UL and VDE approval. PCB connectors are critical for electronics applications, delivering signal and power from main boards to displays, interface panels, memory storages, and much more. The range of RS Pro industrial sockets includes more than 250 products, supporting most of all industrial needs, such as different voltage requirements, 110 volts, 250 volts, and 400 volts, cable mount or panel mount, and waterproof rating. RS Pro industrial sockets have an outer casing made from engineering plastic and conform to the latest requirement standards. The RS Pro circular connector offering counts more than 300 products, and the RS Pro threaded IP68 circular connector series is just one of the latest. The RS Pro threaded IP68 circular connector series has a robust construction and can be used for both cable-to-cable and cable-to-panel mount connections. The RS Pro series of threaded IP68 circular connectors is available in plug and socket configurations, with a different number of contacts. In addition, they have a current rating of 25 amperes and a voltage rating of 500 volts, which, together with the IP68 rating, makes them excellent for multiple applications, in particular within harsh environments. The RS Pro terminal and splices range includes more than 600 products. Terminals and splices are critical components for all of those applications that require a stable and reliable cable-to-cable or cable-to-device connection. The RS Pro Crimp Terminal Kit is the perfect way to always have the full set of ferrules with you, ready to be used for your application. For more information about the full RS Pro choice of connectors and accessories, visit rspro.com, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn for up-to-date news.